Want to know how to make a healthy morning smoothie? Keep watching this episode on the Filipino-Canadian Cooking channel. For this smoothie, we would need 1 pear, 1/2 medium cucumber, half cup of orange juice, half cup of milk, 4 tablespoons of yogurt, and half teaspoon of cinnamon powder. We start by slicing our pear into smaller pieces. Make sure to remove the core and seeds of the pear. We then put the slices of pear onto a plate and set aside. Similarly, for the cucumber, we chop it into smaller pieces like so. Put the chopped cucumber onto a plate and set aside. We are now ready to blend our ingredients. In a blender, we put our ingredients in this order: orange juice, followed by slices of pear, chopped cucumber, milk, yogurt, and finally the cinnamon powder. Blend them all together until smooth and creamy. You may also put in some ice cubes for a cold and refreshing smoothie. And that's it. Pretty quick and easy, right? You now have a healthy and refreshing morning smoothie. What fruits and veggies do you prefer in your smoothie? Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.